Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're here today. Thank you for all your support. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our new lessons. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel a lot. Today, we're going to talk about something very important. We're going to learn how to talk about your daily life and your hobbies. Why is this so important? Because when you can talk about yourself, you can start a conversation with anyone. Part 1. The simple words for what you love. Let's start with a simple question. What do you like to do? To answer this, we'll use a few simple words that are very powerful. The first word is like. I like to listen to music. I listen to pop music, rock music, and jazz. Music makes me feel good. I can also say, I like listening to music. Both are correct. So you can say, I like to read. I like reading. I like to travel. I like traveling. It's easy, right? Now, let's talk about something a little stronger. The second word is enjoy. When you enjoy something, it means you really like it. It makes you feel happy. I enjoy walking in the park. I walk every morning. I enjoy seeing the trees and the people. The word enjoy usually comes with a verb that ends in ing, like enjoy walking. Can you think of something you enjoy doing? Maybe you enjoy cooking, or maybe you enjoy playing a sport. The third word is the strongest one, love. When you love something, it means you like it very, very much. I love cats. They are so cute and smart. I have a cat named Leo. I also love to watch movies. I watch all kinds of movies, especially comedies, because they make me laugh. So remember, you can say, I love noun, like I love pizza, or I love verb ing, like I love watching movies. Part 2. What we do in our daily life. Now, let's connect these words to your daily life. Let's talk about a typical day. In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water to wake up. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter and jam, and I drink a cup of coffee. I love coffee. I can't start my day without it. In the afternoon, I go to work. I don't like to drive, so I take the bus. On the bus, I always read a book or listen to a podcast. This is my favorite part of the day. After work, I come home, relax for a few minutes on the sofa, and then I go for a walk. I enjoy walking in the park to get some fresh air. In the evening, I have dinner with my family. I love to cook, so I often make a simple meal, like a big salad or some pasta. We talk about our day and we laugh a lot. It's my favorite time. After dinner, I relax. I watch TV shows or listen to music. I don't like going to bed late, so I usually go to sleep at 10:30 p.m. Part 3. The opposite. What you don't like. Now, what about the things you don't like? This is just as easy. You just add the word don't before like. For example, as I said, I don't like to drive. I don't like traffic. It makes me feel stressed. I don't like to play sports. I prefer to watch them on TV. I don't like waking up early on weekends. I don't like cold weather. I love the summer. What about you? What do you not like? Part 4. Your future and your dreams. We can also use these words to talk about our future dreams. We can say, I would love to. For example, I would love to learn to play the guitar one day. I think it would be so much fun. I also would love to travel to Italy and eat real Italian food. What is something you would love to do in the future? Final challenge and conclusion. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice everything we learned today. I have a fun challenge for you. Imagine you are a person named Alex. Now tell me 3 things Alex likes and 1 thing Alex doesn't like. For example, Alex likes to play video games, or Alex doesn't like to cook. Use the words we learned today. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is just to try. Every time you say a sentence in English, you are getting better. So here is your final task for today. Tell me something you like to do in the comments below. You can use a simple sentence like, I like to listen to music. I would love to read your comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this lesson was helpful and fun for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.